Today let us solve the problem on bar, that is bar of constant cross-sectional area. Consider a bar shown in figure. Young's modulus 2.1 into 10 power of 5 Newton per millimeter square and area is 500 millimeter square. Determine the nodal displacement, stress in each element and reaction forces. See, this is the bar element which is fixed at one end and it is subjected to a load of 1000 Newton. The length is 1000 millimeter. Young's modulus 2.1 into 10 power of 5 Newton per millimeter square. Let us see the calculation how to do for this theoretical calculation. Okay, so this is the theoretical calculation. In this I need to find out stress, deformation and reaction. Stress, force by area, force is 1000 by area 500, will get 2 Newton per millimeter square. Deformation delta FL by AE, if I substitute all the values I'll get 9.52 into 10 power of minus 3 millimeter, and reaction force I'll get the negative value, that is 1000 Newton. Let us see the same thing in the answers. Okay, this is the answers main menu. I'll go for preferences, structural, okay, preprocessor, element type, add. I'll go for link, 3D finite strain 180, okay, close. Next, real constant, add, okay. I'll give the area, that is area they are given it as 500 millimeter square, okay, close. I'll minimize this real constant. Next, material property, material model, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. Here the value of Young's modulus is 2.1 E5 and Poisson's ratio is 0.3. Okay, I'll close this. Next, after material property, next I'll go for modeling, create key points in active CS. First I'll give first key point and I'll give this as the origin, that is 0, 0, 0. Apply. Second key point, it is at a distance of 1000 millimeter. Next I'll click on OK. See, I've created two key points. Next, after key points I'll go for lines, straight line. I'll pick key point number 1, key point number 2. Okay, next modeling is done. Next I'll go for meshing, mesh attributes, picked lines. I'll pick this line. Okay, since there is only one real constant, I'll click on OK. Next I'll go for size control, manual size, lines, pick lines. I'll pick this line. Okay, I'll give the number of element division as 10. Next I'll click on OK. After size control I'll go for mesh tool, mesh. I'll select this line. Okay, so meshing has been done. After meshing, next I'll go for, I need to apply the loads, that is load, define loads, apply, structural, displacement on key points. I'll select the left key point. Okay, so it is fixed in all degrees of freedom. Okay, next after displacement, next I need to apply the force, that is force or moment on key point. I'll select the second key point. Okay, see, the force is acting along x direction and the value it is acting along positive x direction. The value of the force is 1000 Newton. I'll give 1000. Next I'll click on OK. See, this is the force which has been applied. Next, after that I've completed the preprocessor. Next is solution. I'll go for solve, current ls. Okay, I should get solution is done. Okay, I've got solution is done. Next I'll minimize the solution. Next I'll go for general post processor. In this, first I need to create the element table, therefore I'll go for element table, define table, add. So I'll drag by sequence number. So I'll select ls. I'll give the number as ls1. Okay, I'll close this. After element table, next I'll go for plot result, contour plot, nodal solution, DOF solution, x component of displacement. Okay, see, this is the value of deformation I have got, that is 0.009524. Let us cross check this value. 0.009524 or 9.52 into 10 power of minus 3. Both values are same. I got same deformation. Here stress is 2 and reaction is minus 1000. Let us cross check these two values. Next I'll go for element table. Here I'll be selecting S average. Okay, See, this is the value of stress, that is 2, and the deformation dmx is 0.009524. So both the values have got the same, that is stress as well as deformation. Next, the last is reaction. I'll go for list result, reaction solution, all items. Okay, see, observe the value of reaction force, that is minus 1000 Newton. Applied force is plus 1000. I have got the reaction force as minus 1000. I'll close this. Next, if you want to see the animation, I'll go for plot control, animate, mode shapes, deformed plus undeformed. Okay, see, this is the animation you can observe. See here, that is the blue color line. This is the deformation you are going to observe here. It undergoes the deformation here. Okay, thank you.